stop overpaying for separate subscriptions. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up YouTube TV Family Sharing the official way so you can share your account with up to 5 members. YouTube TV allows you to share your membership with a family group. This gives each person their own login and personal DVR library at no extra cost. First, sign into YouTube TV on your computer. Click your profile photo in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, locate the Family Sharing option in the sidebar. Click Setup to begin creating your family group. Now, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. They must have a Google account and be at least 13 years old. Remember, you are the family manager. You'll be responsible for the primary membership and billing. Each member should live in the same household to comply with the terms of service. These steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Avoid any third-party recovery services or unofficial apps that claim to bypass YouTube's limitations. They are significant security risks. If you run into issues, only use official support channels. You can reach the YouTube TV support line at 833-389-2054 or visit their official help center online. It's that simple. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials that save you time and money. I'll see you in the next one.